Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create and use cylindrical coordinate system in Abaqus. First, let's go through all steps for creating model, create model, assembly step also, and go to load. Now, in the load step, we have our principal coordinate system. Now, let's create another coordinate system. For example, click create atom system, 3 points. Let's create rectangular create system. We have one. Now we need to create the second coordinate system. Let's add a name, cylindrical system. Click continue and use the default orientation of our system. Create that one. Now we have the two datum system. Let's see in this assembly features datum system 1 and datum system 2. Let's delete this the first one, suppress. Now we have this datum system we created. Let's resume the first one, or let's delete. Let's resume. Let's now we will learn how to use the cylindrical system in your when we apply our load or boundary condition. For example, let's go to initial step or in step 1, displacement rotation, click continue, and we need to apply displacement in the outer surface, for example in the cylinder. Click done. Let's try with global system. For example, one displacement in this in the x direction. Click OK. Now we have this direction in the x direction, the displacement, but let's edit and change the coordinate system. Go to the atom system list. We have the second one. Click OK. Click OK. Now we have this orientation of our load. The first orientation. For example, let's edit one. Click OK. Now we have displacement in the along the circular edges of our system in this surface. If we go to the global coordinate system, okay, the orientation of fluid changed to the second direction or y direction in the global system. Edit, change the system, datum system, select coordinate system, okay. Now we have this orientation of our load. Let's go to the third one, the third direction. Okay. Now we have this orientation in the z direction. In our cylindrical system. Click. Now let's create datum system, cylindrical datum system, but with we need to change orientation of our axis. Cylindrical. Now we need to create the starting point. Let's select the first point of the origin. Click OK. The second point is the first direction, and also let's go to the third point. Now we have this orientation. Let's go to delete these two systems. The first. Now we have cylindrical system with this orientation. For example, let's go to edit and change the system. Click OK. OK. The load changes the direction depending to our system in the third direction in this system. Until now, I hope you enjoyed with this video. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel and like this video.